Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create foggy morning aesthetic effects on Higgsfield.ai. So if you're new to Higgsfield AI, it's a platform that allows you to create the best of the best AI generated videos and pictures for your projects, and they are visually stunning, so you can have at it. So to create the foggy morning effect, all you have to do is to log into your account and scroll, choose the Higgsfield so section, then click on the foggy morning area. Then you should be brought to a page similar to this, where you'd see samples of the videos of pictures created using this effect. So you can see it. So the theme is just a foggy morning, and you can recreate any picture in this format. You can click on generate to get a fresh template for you to actually input your prompts and generate your image. Now this area has this is your aspect ratio. You can change it to any of the aspect ratio that would work for you, and this area is the high and basic section, which will allow you to choose between having a high quality image which will cost you 2 credits, and a basic one which will cost you 1 credit in generation. So but I would say you should just go with this, because even the low or the basic one still will still give you something as crisp and high as all of these images I have generated. So you can go on ahead to click on it, and once you're done, it should appear here. You can go on to animate it by making it into a short video about 5 seconds, or making your character to speak up, and then you can always download it here. And that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, please subscribe, as we're actively trying to grow this channel. Well, thank you, and do have a great day, guys.